Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. As someone who tries to be really active, I feel like it's so important to have sneakers that fit your feet well and that feel comfortable in every activity. That's exactly what you're going to get out of these awesome New Balance Fresh Foam 880 sneakers. I've been a New Balance fan for quite some time. This is the first time that I've tried the 880s and I am so impressed. I was looking around for a sneaker that would help me, someone in my late 40s, because I'm starting to feel that my feet are tired and the impact on my heel starts to bug me after a while. With these sneakers, I feel like I could wear them all day nonstop and still feel comfortable. The sneakers have a really great cushioned heel that feels so good whether you're doing high impact sports or just walking on the street pavement or if you're walking in your house. You'll notice that they fit really well over the tops of your feet. There's no discomfort. They tie really well. The tongue is comfortable and they're nice and airy so I don't feel like my feet are over sweating. I really like that they fit really well around my entire foot from top to bottom. I love using these when I go out for a walk because as you know, different pavements will affect your feet, but these are so comfortable. If you're looking for a sneaker that is going to really help you protect your heels and to make you feel like you could walk in clouds all day, then check these out. You will not be disappointed. But that's just my point of view.